21st Century Entrepreneurship with Martin Piskarik.
I'm a very happy, grateful person, but I'm sad a lot of the time, even when I'm happy.
Why? Why are you sad?
Because I can't expect people to treat me the way I treat myself and the way I treat them. It all comes down to managing expectation. I'm actually generally happy and sad at all times. I'm always happy and I'm always sad at the same time. I just am. I'm happy to speak to you, but I'm sad to go. My social media is about entertaining people and inspiring them to believe in themselves and what their capabilities are as well. I want people to, when they see what I do, imagine what they can do. And that took me a very long time to have that kind of perspective.
What's your proudest moment of your career so far?
I think the most important thing is to actually never really look back at the proudest moment that you've had, but be excited about looking forward to more incredible moments and enjoying the moment itself. So reflecting on the past, enjoying the moment right now, and also being prepared for future moments too. Anticipation, reality, and reflection.
When you say moment itself, is it a specific focus? Is it higher state of awareness?
No, this is what it is. I think a lot of people live in the past and in the future. And I think it's really important to live in the moment. It's really simple, common sense stuff for me. So I'm very grateful for everything that's happened, both good and bad. But I also live in the moment, and I'm excited about the future, which no one knows what's going to ever happen. You can't control the future ever, but you can relive the past only in a way where you learn from your experiences, both good and bad, to apply them to the future. I feel like when you find your purpose in life, you find your purpose in life. And you just have to be very disciplined in your actions and your habits on a daily basis for many years.
So do you feel fulfilled?
I feel very fulfilled. Because I'm fulfilling my purpose every single day, and I'm relentless, and I never stop, and I love the process, and I don't worry about the results, because the results come not when you want to control the results, but when you control your effort, the results come. They may not come when you want, but they will always come if you put the effort in and you give yourself time. I don't really think about inspiration, nor do I think about creativity. I really think about my purpose, and I dig deep inside to constantly create content. Whether it's photographs, neon light installations, diamond dust prints, podcasts, public speaking. I just want to spread my voice to people in the world, to entertain them with the art and to inspire them with the journey.
Why?
Why? For me, I think why, and then I think how. And I think most people should ask themselves the same question. Why am I doing what I'm doing, and how am I going to do what I'm doing? Why? Because this is my skill set that I've been practicing for at least 10,000 days. Most people talk about doing something for 10,000 hours, but I've been doing this for 10,000 days. You know when people say you need to do something for 10,000 hours?
Yes, the famous book.
I always find that 10,000 hour rule kind of funny because I've been doing this for 10,000 days.
Did you felt alone in the process?
I only feel alone often when I'm in crowds of people. But when I'm alone, I never feel alone. Only if I'm with the wrong people in the wrong situation do I actually feel alone.
When you are alone, you feel good. What do you feel?
When I'm alone, I feel very connected to myself and the universe and my purpose. I often feel like it's not even me. I'm just a messenger from the universe fulfilling my purpose in life. I just don't ever get lonely when I'm by myself, but I can sometimes get lonely when I'm with other people and I can't be my authentic self and I have to fake it in certain situations where I don't want to fake it. So I try to avoid those situations where I'm not my genuine self. I think that people who want to be entrepreneurs generally have to enjoy spending a lot of time by themselves. Planning, strategizing, trying to figure out how to do what they want to do. You can't just say you're an entrepreneur. What are you doing with being an entrepreneur? What are you trying to create? What are you trying to promote? What are you trying to market all over the world? Sometimes people say they're entrepreneurs because it's cool. But I think that the best entrepreneurs or the greatest entrepreneurs have a vision and know how to execute their vision.
What's for you the ratio between art and business? So what you are doing on a daily basis, living in moment, day by day, you're producing art, but you are in business as well.
I love the art of business, and I love the business of art. So I love to create beautiful pieces of art in many different art forms. And then I like to distribute those art forms with my gallery partners all over the world. We don't sell the works directly. We work with a distribution network all over the world. And I also manage manufacturers. So oftentimes I come up with the idea, but I have a whole team of people who help execute the idea that I came up with in the first place.
And why do you value one of those collections that I saw before our interview, $1,000? How did you come up with that value?
Well, first of all, I started selling my work for $1,200 20 years ago. And now my prices are between $8,000 and $100,000. And it's just what the value that has been accepted all over the world for my works. That's it.
Is it something that market dictates?
So basically, I started with a price point that was appropriate for the beginning of my career. And as my career progressed over time, we raised the prices according to the success of the works with the galleries all over the world that were selling out relatively quickly. So we just raised the prices because that's what was the right thing to do over time.
And what was the strategy of your success? Was there any business plan or life plan or?
I never had a business plan, but I always had a passion. And then the strategy came from the products that I created with my passion. So it starts with passion for creativity and creating a product. And then once I saw that product come to life, then I wanted to show that product to the world. And that was my strategy. And that's my business plan looking back. But I never had a business plan, ever. I just had a strategy once I created the artworks, and I am my own biggest critic. So once I accepted them, then I decided to show those works to the world.
You said constantly creating content. How important that creation is in the context of social media, in the context of 2023, how important it is to be consistency.
I think habits are very important. And I've had the same routine for many, many years. And it all starts with passion for creating something that you believe in without any outside distractions. What you believe yourself, that your purpose is in life. And once you believe what that purpose is, then you just go for it. So I don't really analyze this too much other than asking myself, why do I do this and how am I going to do this? I don't want to go to the grave with dreams that I never pursued.
When you say you need to believe in yourself, when did you start believing in yourself?
This is what I think. I think most people fake believe in themselves, and they don't really believe in themselves. And I think that to really believe in yourself, you have to be willing to accept a lot of people not believing in you the way you believe in yourself. And a lot of people can't handle rejection. And rejection always fueled me. It never bothered me being rejected because anybody who ever rejected me, I always felt bad for. I thought, wow, you're going to reject me now, but you're going to regret doing that later. It's fun for me. It's all a big game.
It's all a big game.
All a big game for me. I just want to have fun. This is all one big fun game of creativity, marketing creativity, inspiring other people to create, inspiring other people to be themselves. It's just one big entertaining game for me. And the world is a stage. I'm just having fun, man. Let's have fun.
What is fun for you?
I think that taking your work seriously is important, but taking yourself seriously is often disastrous. So I don't really take myself seriously. I love when my friends make fun of me. I would love to have a roast where all my friends came and made fun of me. That would be the greatest night for me of my life, would be to invite all my friends that I've made all over the world over the years, who all came to my birthday and all made fun of me. That would be a great night. Imitate me, make fun of me, talk about dreams and creativity. That would be a lot of fun for me. And I love when my friends make fun of me. That's fun to me. My Instagram is at David Drebin, Drebin. And the reason why I love to do Instagram and TikTok, daviddrebin.com, and Twitter, David Drebin, is to both educate and entertain people. I like to entertain with the artworks and to inspire with the journey and the struggles and the persistence and the perseverance to become ourselves. Because that's what life's all about to me. How to squeeze out the juice of all of our talent all over the world. Because nothing irks me more than wasted talent. No, I'm not happy all the time. But when I'm by myself, I'm pretty happy. It's dealing with other people and managing other people and dealing with bad behavior. That doesn't make me happy. And sometimes when there's more money, there's more managing bad behavior and greedy people. And I don't love that part, but look, I don't love going to the gym either, but it feels good when I leave. I like eating. Yesterday I had a cheeseburger and fries. It felt great when I ate it. It didn't feel good 2 hours later. There's a price to be paid for every experience. Like if I go have 5 glasses of wine right now, that will feel great, but I'll have a headache tomorrow morning. But if I go to sleep at 9, that's not exciting, but I'll feel great in the morning. Everything, there's a price to pay for everything. I'm never really satisfied. I never pat myself on the back. I just keep going. Never too high, never too low. I'm always happy and I'm always sad at the same time. I love the duality of sadness and gladness because they always follow each other.
21st Century Entrepreneurship with Martin Piskarik.